Hi there. Today, we're diving into understanding a few components of dialectical behavioral therapy, or DBT for short. So, grab a cup of tea, find a cozy spot, and let's embark on increasing our knowledge together. So, what exactly is dialectical behavioral therapy? At its core, DBT is a type of psychotherapy that combines cognitive behavioral therapy techniques with practices from the Zen philosophy-based practice of mindfulness. It was developed by Dr. Marsha Linehan in the late 1980s to help individuals struggling with emotional dysregulation, particularly those diagnosed with borderline personality disorder. Also, DBT operates on the belief that emotional suffering arises from a combination of biopsychosocial vulnerabilities and invalidating environments. By teaching individuals specific skills to regulate their emotions, cope with distress, and improve their interpersonal relationships, DBT aims to enhance individuals' overall well-being so they can, in Dr. Marsha Linehan's words, live a life that is worth living. Since its inception, dialectical behavioral therapy has evolved into a widely recognized evidence-based treatment for various mental health conditions, including depression, anxiety, substance use, and eating disorders as well as borderline personality disorder. Its holistic approach and emphasis on skill building to strengthen the reservoir of coping skills have empowered countless individuals to reclaim a thriving life that is balanced in acceptance and change. People work closely with their therapist to address specific challenges and develop personalized strategies for managing emotions and behaviors that are not useful for them. The therapist will encourage people to talk about which DBT skill was used to target a specific problem. For example, an individual may share with their therapist that they used mindfulness skills such as diaphragm breathing or body scanning strategies to reduce the intensity of their anxiety-related symptoms such as increased heart rate and feelings of tension in their body. Therefore, an individual can expect that their DBT therapist will facilitate a structured session on reviewing the use of skills and problems faced by the individual. In group therapy, the sessions typically focuses on adding an additional layer of support and connection to an individual's overall DBT experience. Dr. Marsha Linehan has developed a DBT skills workbook outlining many strategies for each DBT skill such as mindfulness, distress tolerance, emotion regulation, and interpersonal effectiveness, which are learned in DBT group therapy along with others who experience similar issues. Therefore, individuals can learn from each other as they practice new skills together in a safe environment. These group therapy sessions are often facilitated by two DBT therapists. The DBT therapist will encourage individuals to learn and practice DBT skills from the DBT workbook by requesting them to practice the strategies inside and outside of therapy sessions. For example, an individual may be encouraged to practice mindfulness techniques to stay present in the moment or use emotion regulation skills to navigate their intense feelings that are impacting their day-to-day activities such as work, personal self-care, or school. Just like any other therapy approach, DBT is a form of talk therapy, and the practice of DBT skills can help individuals live a life worth living by utilizing its techniques and strategies on a regular basis. The more individuals practice the skills, the more likely they are to live a life at their best potential. DBT is not only beneficial to those individuals that are experiencing debilitating emotions or distress in their life or mental health-related disorders, it is also useful for anyone who wants to enhance their general mental health. Thank you for staying tuned in today to learn more about DBT therapy and its overall usefulness. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about new empowering mental health-related videos. Until next time, keep shining brightly as you are.